Welcome. Today I will teach you how to get your 4,000 watch hours in 14 days going live using Restream. So let's go straight to the point. For you to use Restream and go live, I'm going to be giving you where you get the resources. The first thing you need to do is that you come to your videos. You see any of your video that is going viral, you redo that video. Maybe you redo it and make it shorter. Okay. When you redo it, that is a video you are going to be using in Restream. That is one way to get a video that you'll be using in the Restream live. Okay. The second way you can get your video, which most people are using, is to come to Google Chrome. Come to Google Chrome, type Pixel. Okay, Pixel videos. Anyone. You enter this website. This website gives free videos. You search a video that you think will be viral. Okay, anything you think people love watching. Let's say, for example, sea whale. Sea whale. You search. You when you search, you try to play anyone that resonates with you. But make sure you download the one that is in this dimension, not this other type that is like YouTube video. Download, but this one that is like a short or a reel. Yes, so when you download it,
Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But straight to the point tech.
so after downloading, go to this other website, Pixabay. Yes, when you are on this Pixabay, search a sound related to the video you downloaded. Okay, download the sound and keep. Next thing is to go to your InShot app. I believe you have all these apps in your phone. Go to InShot, you click on video, you click on new, you take the video you downloaded. Let's say this one, you take it in here, you make sure you click on Canva, you make sure it's in short format like this or this one. Okay, then you add the sound that you downloaded. You add the sound. If you don't want to use sound, no problem. Okay, after adding the sound, try to click on PHP and maybe add your logo. Okay, add your logo there. Add your logo somewhere, maybe in the middle, or you can add it through the shot. Okay, so after adding it, save, export the video to your phone. When you export the video to your phone, go to Chrome and type Restream. Restream. Click on this website. You click on this website. It's loading. Okay, why is getting load? Let me quickly show you some mathematical calculation here. You get your calculator. So you need 4,000 watch hours, right? Let's divide it by 14 days. It means you need to have at least 285 watch hours a day. Okay, now if you do 10 hours a day and let's say times 35 people, means you have 350 hours a day. That means if you do 10 hours live and 35 people watch it, you have 350 watch hours. Okay, so let's say this times 350 times 14. You see that you even have more than the required watch hour, 4,900. And the advantage is that as you be getting these 4,000 watch hours, you equally be getting subscribers. So that's the mathematics. Let's continue. Okay, it's logging in. Good. You wait for it to load. When you are in this Restream studio, right? Please pay attention to what I'm going to be doing now. Okay, you click on this plus sign, new. You click on Restream Studio. If you don't follow this way I'm going to be showing you, you'll not get all the functions. So you can, if you are using a computer, it will be more better. But I'm using my smartphone. You can put your smartphone in desktop so that you easily get the functionalities of the Restream platform. It says putting everything together.
From here, look down bottom, click the three dots and click on local video. It's loading. you select the video that you edited in InShot. Let's say that's the video. You click on it. Okay. Wait for it to load. That's it. It is now in Restream. Okay. From here, click this icon that is looking, yes, like mobile. Yes, click on it. Make sure you click on it. And click and enter the title of your stream. Let's say Sea Whale or Amazing Sea Whale or Sea Whale in display. Take save. This is where the secret is. Then if you want sound to play, turn off that sound icon. If you want sound to play, yes, click there. You see that loop video, click on it. Oh, yes, so that will be playing repeatedly. Click on it. From there, click on go live. Click on that red button to add your channel. Okay, now I've already added my own. I'll just turn on the button. But if you have not connected your YouTube channel, connect it at this stage. Click on go live. Okay, if I click on that go live button, countdown 0, 1, go. Wow, I'm live now. Let's quickly go to my YouTube channel and verify if I'm live. Okay, yes, you can see it's loading. That's it. That's
Hello
in
guys
live.
and girls, welcome to the channel.
Wow,
Today I am
that's
going
it
to
live.
teach you how to solve this.
This is the video. I'm now on YouTube. That's me live. Some people are already watching. Beautiful. I have commented. So that's basically how.
So
From
this
here,
channel is live
if
now.
you do this live, the next day you do another one. The next day you do another one.
So
But make sure you look for different videos. Okay, don't use the same video. Use different videos to be going live.
it's live.
And
Then okay, now there's something you need to know. You have to make sure you have good internet. You're in a good internet connection area. If not, the live will be crashing. Okay. So after doing this, you can keep your device somewhere you can be throwing, or you go to bed. When you get up in the morning, you check the number of subscribers you get, you check the number of comments, you check the number of watch hours.